Is your garage door in the Thirroul area starting to sound like a symphony of grinding, squeaking, or rattling? These noises are more than just a nuisance. They could be signs of serious issues such as the need for lubrication, worn parts, or misalignment, affecting the functionality and safety of your garage door. Don't wait for the problem to escalate. Call 040-877-4111 today to get it checked and repaired by our team of qualified professionals. Ensure your garage door operates smoothly and quietly, protecting your peace of mind and your property. Act now and silence those unwanted sounds.